Hello everyone, channel 100x Zoom. Today we have this comparison, Carl Zeiss Jenoptem 8x30 and Svbony 8x32. The Zeiss comes with a leather case. Svbony, I don't even know what material this is made of. It's like this. I don't know who likes what more, but you can't place this rather old pair of binoculars here anymore. However, this relatively new, modern one can be placed despite the visual mismatch. Somehow, they don't match each other at all. Based on the serial number, this particular binocular was released in the year 1979. This binocular is relatively modern, having been manufactured in the late 20th century, which is not too long ago. The difference between them is about 40 years, which is quite significant and noteworthy. You can watch the detailed and comprehensive video review comparing the Svbony and BPC4 on my channel. Here is the hyperlink to this video content. There are many video reviews about Svbony, and quite a few about case as well, providing additional information. I won't go into detail about these binoculars, as I don't want to take up too much of your time. Regarding the coating, there is multi-layer coating on some optical surfaces here. The outermost surface area of the lens here is not coated. In Svbony, there is a specially engineered additional coating put in place. Overall, I have already definitely and undoubtedly ascertained which of these binoculars has a better, clearer image, certainly. However, at this moment in time, I will continue to hold on to the case and not let it go. I just really like it. Its image is actually a little bit worse. The image in the case is not as clear as in the Svbony, but I still definitely like it, although of course it's not perfect. You probably need to choose a more modern binocular if you want to have such a bright, clear image. Believe me, there's definitely something very special about it, and I decided that for now I won't be selling it. Let it lie somewhere on my shelf. Now we will shoot through one and the other and see, as much as possible, to compare their images. When I compared the BPC4, the weather was like this, but now, as you can see, it's cloudy and there's kind of a fog in the distance, so the video will be somewhat different. Look at the wall. See, well, in the Svbony it's clearer. The distance is about 40 meters. I don't see a big difference here. Well, overall, how can I say, Svbony has a clearer and brighter image. I can't say that Zeiss is really that bad. Honestly, I still truly take pleasure in looking through it. It's pleasant for the eyes. And with Svbony, it's fine. Pleasant, no problems for the eyes. So, to say specifically that Svbony is much, much better, and you can just throw away the other one, well, I wouldn't say that. But in terms of brightness and clarity, Zeiss falls slightly short. As you can clearly see, for long distances, especially where there is fog, it's still significantly better to look through a modern, advanced, high-quality binocular. Thank you all for watching the video. I hope it was informative for you. Don't forget, if you liked it, support the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and see you next time.